Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is João. So today we are going to learn how we can create a combo box in Tkinter. Okay, so a combo box are those options box that we used to see in a lot of application, even web application. Okay, so we are going to learn how we can create those box, the same box, okay, in Python Tkinter. Okay, so for that we can do something like this. So let me come to our test editor, but before that let's say what we are going to do. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to create a combo box, how to insert items inside of the combo box, okay, and how to get the values from the combo box, okay. And we are going to have also a lot of examples. So let's go into the test editor. So for that, let's do something like this, okay. So we are going to learn how to create a combo box in Python Tkinter, okay. So for that, let's do something like this. So these are the information from the previous video, okay. So in order for us to get the info from the combo box, okay, we can do something like this, okay. I'm going to keep this button here. We might need it, but this guy, I'm going to delete this info even here, okay. For now I can just delete these guys, okay. I'm just going to delete those guys so that we can have more space to work and to play around. So for that, let's do something like this, okay. I am here, okay. I have one label and I have one entry, so I don't need this entry. Oh, this is a label, sorry, okay. I don't need this label, bye bye. And if I save this and if I run this, boom, I have only this button and this guy, okay. Perfect. It gives error because we don't have this entry anymore, so I can just remove this guy and write it pass so that it can ignore, okay. If I click, boom boom, it will pass, it will ignore this. Perfecto. So in order to create a combo box in Python Tkinter, we can do something like this, okay. So first, let's create one variable called combo, okay. We can give any name, okay. I'm just going giving combo because it's easy name that can pop up on my head. So for that, we can call combo box, okay. Combo, this way, combo box, okay. Combo box, open and close. So if I save this and if I run, boom, I'm gonna get error. Why? Because in Tkinter, if we want to use combo box, okay, we have to call it from tkinter.ttk, okay, ttk. So for that, we have to do something like that, okay. We have to come here down, we have to do something like that from Tkinter, okay, from Tkinter dot ttk, okay. We can say import space and asterisk all this way, okay, down. If I save this and if I run, boom, I'm still getting error because it's saying that ttk doesn't have this bnj. So for that, to avoid this, okay, it's saying that this guy doesn't exist, this guy, okay. So to avoid this is very easy, okay. I can just do like this. You come out, okay, boom, you stay in the top and you stay down, okay, boom. I save and if I run, boom, everything is working. Or I can just for example, if I remove this guy and if I save like this and keep like this, I'm still getting error, okay. So that's why I put that this way, okay. Just change the order, keep this way and save, everything will work, okay, because combo box is inside of this one, okay, of this class. So now since we have a combo box, okay, let's place it inside of our window. Let's say window, save, okay. And if I run this, nothing's gonna happen, okay. So now after creating a combo box, we need to place it inside of the window, okay. So to place inside of the window is the same thing that we have been doing, but let me give a little space here. Let me say combo dot, okay. So I'm just going to use this guy, okay. You come here and I will place it here. I place it here, okay. So this is in grid 0 1, so this guy come in grid 1 and this go down into 2, okay. I save this and okay, now I want this guy on 0, this guy also on 0, okay. I save this combo box. If I save and if I run, boom, now we have a combo box here, okay. But the combo box is empty, okay. So we can give some values here in our combo box. So in order to give a value in a combo box, we have to do something like that, okay. Here, after we place our combo box inside of window, below we can call combo, okay. We can just open something like this, okay. Inside of a single quote, we can call values this way, okay. Values, save, give a little space and say equal. So now here we must give a tuple or a list so that those ones will be shown inside of our combo box. Okay, so for example, we can say something like that. Okay, if I give first, I'm going to give a list. Okay, so a list of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and save. And if I run this, if I come here, we can see now we have our values. Okay, so apart of those, okay, we can give also this one. Okay, we can give a tuple instead of lists. I save. If I run this, we can say we have here our values. Okay, so the combo box, it can be a mix of values. Okay? It can be integer, it can be float, it can be strings also. For example, if I say comma, then I can say, for example, Joao, which is my name. Save. And if I run this, we can do see like this. Joao is here down. Okay, just like this, and it will be working. So this is how we can create a combo box in Python Tkinter. Okay, so but there is a thing which is very important. Okay, that is how to get the value from the combo box and make use of it. But apart of that, okay, when we create a combo box, we can also define which value we want it to show first. For example, if I save this and if I run, for example, here we can see this guy is empty, it's not showing anything. Okay, but we can set for example, a default value. For example, I can set for example something like that. Okay, combo dot current. Okay, current equal. For example, I can say here it works as a position. Okay, for example, I want this number 1 to be shown as the first value. For example, if I put here 1, okay, you come here. No, if I put it 1, save. If I run this, it's gonna show me 2. Why? Because see, this one, it works as an index. Okay, this thing that we are passing is the index of the tuple. Okay, of the value in the tuple. So since we gave 1, it's showing 2 because it starts from 0 1 2 3. Okay, but if you want 1, we have to give it 0 here, 0, save. Then if we save, so that we can see it's showing now 1 as the default value. Okay, so if we open here, so 1 2 3 4 and done. If you want Joao, okay, which is the last one, so the last one is let me see, 0 1 2 3 4 5. It's 5. Okay, if I give 5, save, and if I run, it is showing Joao. Okay, let me see if his negative number works. See, if I put -1 is supposed to give me Joao also. Save. If I run, boom, is wrong. So that means negative number doesn't work. Only positive numbers it will work. Okay, but since this is a tuple, let me check for a list. Sorry, if I delete this guy and instead of tuple, if I pass a list and if I keep there -1, save, and if I run, boom, even -1 doesn't work. So it means only positive numbers can be assigned there. Okay, save, and if I run, now we have 2 here as default. So let's put 1, which is 0. Okay, 0, save, and if I run, boom, we have these guys. So in order to get the values from the combo box, we have to do something like that. Okay, inside of here, our this function hello, we can do something like that. Okay, from here, let me create one variable called info. This info will be equal, we have to call the name of the combo box, which is combo dot, we use get, the function get, also to get the values from the combo box. Then do this. Okay, so we can print here the value. Okay, print what we are going to print. We are going to print info. Okay, which is the information. So if I save this and if I run, okay, let me see. If I click any value, let's say for them Joao, if I click here, boom, it prints Joao. Okay, it's getting the value from the combo box. If I change to 4, boom, it's printing 4, and so on. Okay, so this is how we can get the values from the combo box in Python Tkinter. So after we get those values, we can do whatever we want. We can manipulate those values as we wish. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.